Welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are an online graphic design school with over 15 years experience in teaching UI UX, web design and graphic design. We create future graphic designers who graduate with us with confidence and creative competencies, and we are very proud of our graduates when they leave us with cutting-edge design skills, highly marketable career prospects and a strong commercial portfolio. For more information, visit us at blueskygraphics.co.uk.
Hello everyone, I'm Chen from Blue Sky Graphics, and here we are in Adobe XD. Today we'll show you a few tricks with prototype and vertical scrolling. So now we are in Adobe XD. We have three screens from an app called Mondo. It's a travel app where you can find your destination and read about the destination, book. Now we have it's not the whole app, of course, it's just three screens. And we design everything under the design option, and I will go to prototype. And in prototype, I can decide which button will go to the screen that I want. For example, if I click on Get Started, I can drag the arrow to destination. Now I have Portugal as a destination, and from Portugal, I can double click, drag and drop it to Portugal. Now, something very important in user experience, always to have an arrow to go back. So if we click the arrow, drag and drop back to the main screen and to destinations. You can always check your design by clicking the desktop preview. So now it will start from here, but I can go back to the home page, find your destination, click here, get started, select your destination, and we are here. And of course, we need some more screens. Book now, payment. Let's exit the preview mode. Now I want to be able to scroll through the destination. So I will go back to the design, click here, and there is an option called, on the right, horizontal scroll. If I click on the horizontal scroll, it will crop the area outside the canvas. And now if we'll try again the desktop preview, book now, there is an option to scroll horizontally. At this point, I can already share my design with developers as a presentation to the client, share his thoughts, write the review, and most important, development, where I can share my design and the developer can see the colors, the fonts that I used, and even use the prototype to see which button will go to each of the screens. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more information and videos, you can always check our website, blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you.